to my destination, I'll pick up the camera again, okay? I don't know what she's looking at, but she's looking at me and I'm looking at her. So well, guess what? And my truck not even locked. So let's put this job in drive.
Why you keeping me waiting? All I want.
Good morning, Mama Dot Loves. I'm headed to my doctor's appointment this morning. Just checking in. I hope you and I pray that you guys had an amazing night on last night. When I get to my destination, I'll pick up the camera again, okay? Love you guys. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. All right, guys, I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Good morning, everyone. I tell you, I got a doctor's appointment this morning. I'm out here early this morning to my doctor's appointment. Hope you guys are doing well. I post some stuff on the 19th. My baby graduated from the 8th grade to the 9th grade. And I'm going to post that sometime, maybe today. If not today, I'll get around to posting it. But I hope I'm able. This mask don't want me to be great today. It don't want to stay up around my ear. I don't know what's up with that. But safety come. I still wear my mask, and I'm going to keep wearing my mask too. I just, whatever. But anyway, I hope you guys doing well. But I'll get back with you guys right after my doctor's appointment, okay? Love you. All right, good morning again to Mama Dot subscribers. Welcome back to another video with Mama Dot Loves. I greatly appreciate you guys. As you can see, I'm driving, and I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for joining my family. I really and greatly appreciate you guys. I'm back here behind the camera smiling and cheesing. Yeah, we're gonna get into some stuff today, but I don't know what yet. But I'm gonna bring you guys with me, okay? I know you guys don't mind coming for the ride. Wherever we land, family, we're gonna go on this ride, okay? I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, y'all, look where we headed at. Can y'all believe this mess? I'm finally coming over to Kohl's. And I said I was gonna go back by Bed Bath and Beyond today because today is Wednesday, so I might go over there and check them out as well. So I get back with you guys in a little bit, okay? Okay, let go. I hope they have some good finds in here this morning. We shall see, family. Okay. It's hot out here. And it's 12:23 right now. It's hot, hot. I don't know how much more this summer I can take. And the summer ain't even kicked in yet. But it's hot. I can't stand to be out here when it's hot. But I'm just leaving out of Kohl's. I picked up a few items. I'll let you guys see what I bought when I get stationary. But they having a great, fantastic sale on some of the items. So if you get a chance, if you have a Kohl's in your area, go check them out, okay? But I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but we shall see. And I'll be back with you guys momentarily, okay? Love you, family. You know what, y'all? I said I was gonna go by Bed Bath and Beyond to see if they still open, and to see if they mark some more items down. I'm gonna go in there and check it out. I used to love shopping in that store, man. I tell you what, I'm just so sad that store going out of business. But I'm gonna go and see. We're gonna do a drive-by over there to see if they still open, okay? Because I know in Candy State, hers was already closed. So I'm gonna go by mine and see if they still, I think she said it was closed. I'm not sure. I think she said in her video that it was already closed. But I'm gonna go check on mine and see if they close. And I'll get back with you guys momentarily, okay? Oh yeah, family. When I get a chance, we got to go and do a drive-by in Best Buy very soon, okay? That's gonna be our next video, Best Buy. But guess what? Y'all all up in my face close up. Back up some. Back up a little bit now. Give me my space. But anywho, we're going to go in there and see what's going on, okay? If this camera let me record a little bit in there, I will. Not camera, my phone. I need to start using my camera. I have it with me and don't use it. That's sad. But I'll be right back, okay, babies? The price is the same. Hadn't changed since the last time I've been in here. Okay, family. They still hadn't marked anything down. The young lady said they'll mark some stuff down to 50% on next week, Wednesday. So I'm like, next week, Wednesday? Lord have mercy. They want me to keep coming out here every Wednesday, but I'll be back to see what they marked down. She said they trying to get all the money they can get because they in bankruptcy. So we'll come back and see what's going on, okay? Be back with y'all momentarily. Feel like I'm on the beach now. I feel kind of cool out here right now. I don't know how long this little air gonna be breathing, but honey, guess what? I'm enjoying this little breeze. Yes. But I'll be back with you guys in a little bit, okay, family? Family, y'all don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's free. It don't cost a thing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to go sit down and see what Mama Dot bringing to the YouTube family, okay? It's free, so don't forget. Every chance I get, I'm gonna tell somebody to subscribe to my channel because it's free. I don't know what she looking at, but she looking at me and I'm looking at her. So well, guess what? And my truck not even locked. So let's put this job in drive, because you know people crazy out here. Excuse me, family. But yeah, and then this camera be so close up in my face, make me look like an alley cat, and I don't like that. I don't love that. But I want you guys to be able to see me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and ease on my side of the town. I had on a little girlfriend the other day, boy, and I caught myself cutting the edges, the thing off on the sideburns. I messed some sideburns up, baby. I tell you what, but I'm gonna clean them up and fix them up. I'm like, what the ham sandwich? What in the world? I'm like, excuse me here for being on the channel with one long sideburn and one short one. I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope nobody noticed that, but I bet you somebody did, because I notice everything when I'm looking at everybody's channel as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and head back on my side of the town, and I'll get back with you guys momentarily, okay? Hey y'all, I always get to my mother's house and end the video. I'm gonna end it for now, but if it don't come together like I expect it to, I will and shall get back with you guys. But I want to take this time out to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to post some. I can't wait to go into Bed Bath and Beyond on next week Monday. I have a doctor's appointment on that day as well, so I can't wait to go in there and see if they're going to really mark stuff down to 50%. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, thumbs up the video, share, like the video. So I'm sorry, and hit the notification bell. Everybody says red, but it's a white little bell on the bottom of the video. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I post another video. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You guys have a God bless Wednesday. Till the next time with Mama Dot. Look forward and sharing some more great videos. Okay? Love you guys. Hey, y'all. It's the next day. Welcome back to another video with Mama Dot, my loves. Okay, I told you guys that I went in Kohl's on yesterday, which I did, guys. I went in Kohl's yesterday and spent $200 and something in Kohl's. And then I got like 30, 40 something in credit. They gave me the cash something here. But I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up in Kohl's on yesterday. I picked up some jeans, and it was on clearance for $19.80. Some jeans. I like these little wide leg jeans these days, y'all. Oh yes, love them, love them, love them, love them for me. And I'm into my little summer shirts these days. Gotta have them, gotta have them. I hope I didn't get this one too big, but I'm gonna try everything on. I'm not gonna try them on for you guys, but I'm gonna try them on when I get a chance. Oh boy. And I picked up another pair of jeans here, but these wasn't on sale. These was like $40 for these. Like I say, I love the wide legs these days on these jeans. And I picked up this little cutie right here. Cutie patootie. And I picked up this little cutie. I just hope I don't have to take these things back because they look like they're gonna be a little too big for me. But I'll try them on and be the judge of that. But this is so cute, girly girl. Picked up a black and white one. Cause when I tell y'all I'm hot, baby, I be hot, hot. No lie about that. I be hot, hot. Of course, I got it in gray. I don't know why I picked up so many of the same style, but if I like it, that's all up to me. Then I got it again in this little pretty. Is this a pink or is this a look like a rose or pink color? But this is cute, soft, girly color. And I picked, oh, this is real pretty right here. Real cute, cute, cute. But I think I bought these shirts too big. But I'm going to try them on and see if they too big. I'll be taking them back, baby. Then I was looking for some navy blue socks. Excuse me, for a minute. And I came across some. They regular $14, so they was on sale for $7.99. Kohl, please. As I was saying, you guys, I had to get me some socks. I was looking for some navy blue socks for a minute, and I found some. And these right here was on sale for $7.99, which I thought was a good buy. And you know, I went navy blue crazy, y'all. So hey, and then they had some for $5.99 in there as well. I got me some black ones as well. Even though this look like navy blue too, I'm kind of colorblind, you guys. But this is navy blue. I went navy blue crazy. Let's see what else I have. And there's a black pair. Gotta have them. But like I said, I'm gonna have to try these clothes on because I think I picked them up too big. I'm in a size medium and look like I picked up some big stuff. But I'm gonna try them on and see how they fit. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me in Kohl's the other day, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for giving me some likes, and please comment and share. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. Okay, guys? I love you guys to the moon and back. And don't forget to tell a friend to come join Mama Dot family. Love you guys. To the next time with Mama Dot. Mwah. All right, family. I'm trying to test this thing. This thing do some funny looking stuff. Sometimes I don't know. This is a blue. Be back. Y'all forget me. I'm making like a little clown, but okay. If I didn't say good morning, Mama Doctor. That's a fail. That's a big fail.